And by bad I mean good, and by good I mean great. Let's start the battle with this real estate. What's up, party people? We got two crews of like and dignity, and they ain't gonna work it, no diggity. They're gonna hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Who are you guys?
Supersonic Crew! Everybody make some noise!
Okay, Supersonic Crew! Yes! I can't lose it! Let's go! What's up, party people? What? Who are you guys? She's the biggest, she's the baddest, she's the rhythm. Okay, so let's go! Let me see you bring it here, girl. Or you can keep your hands where you at. All right, everybody, if you like what you see, let me hear you say, oh yeah. That's when you step into when you are. You got a better idea?
Let the audience decide who's the real.
All right, I like the sound of that. Now, good kings can admit sometimes it's hard to see. So we'll wise up and call a time of democracy. Let's up the ante, let's raise the stakes. Let's see each of these crews can teach you their shakes. So, ready to rumble. All right. All right. Now, let's. Yes, you come too. Come. Hey, buddy. The supersonic crew is over there. All right. So you guys stand over here. Let's get some names. All right. Hello. Where are you guys from? Your people over there. Okay, I'll go over there in a second. All right. Now, what you guys? Hello. What's your name? Bien. And where are you from? Indonesia. Philippines. Kumusta mabuhay? Mabuhay mabuti. Now, let's go ahead and start. I'm sorry. Thailand, hey. Get it, girl, in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Yeah! And you know it. Now, let's go Supersonic Crew in 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's go. Oh, go princess. Hey, my booty, my booty, my booty.